Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to hide participants within Zoom. Start by opening the Zoom desktop client on your computer and signing into your account using your login credentials. Once you are logged in and on the home screen, initiate a session by clicking the New Meeting button to launch the interface. Inside the meeting, locate the Participants menu, which is usually found at the bottom of the screen within the control bar. In this menu, you will find various options to hide specific participant details. For example, you can choose to hide profile pictures, which removes their icons or images from your display. Another way to manage your view is by clicking the View Settings menu. From here, select your preferred layout. Speaker View prioritizes the active speaker, while Gallery View shows everyone's video feed. You can also opt to hide non-video participants to clean up your screen. Additionally, if you want to focus on your own feed, you can pin yourself. Just click the three dots next to your video and select the Pin option. This ensures your video stays permanently visible even in a large meeting. If there are many attendees and you need to focus on yourself or someone else, the pinning feature is very helpful. Pinning yourself ensures your video remains the primary feed on your screen. Once you have adjusted these settings to your preference, you can save the changes and continue with your meeting.